Today we are revisiting constellations and asterisms. Previously we had covered few constellations, from Andromeda the Chain Lady to Aries the Ram. In case if you have missed those videos or would like to watch again, make sure to watch here. I have mentioned the playlist link in the description as well. This is the Universe Factory, and today's video we embark on a journey through the cosmos to discover the fascinating constellation of Auriga the Charioteer. Join us as we explore the myths, history and prominent stars that define this celestial wonder. But before we start, if you are new here, consider subscribing to the channel and press the bell icon to get notified with the latest happenings in the world of astronomy. Also, you may find us on social media platforms, links to which have been mentioned in the description. Be sure to check out. Let us begin with an introduction to Auriga constellation. Auriga is a prominent constellation located in northern celestial hemisphere, known for its distinctive shape resembling a charioteer holding a goat and kids. In the night sky, Auriga is situated near the well-known constellations like Taurus, Perseus and Gemini. It is a constellation rich in mythology and holds several notable stars and deep sky objects. It is one of the 88 modern constellations. It was among the 48 constellations listed by the 2nd century astronomer Ptolemy. Its Latin name is for the Charioteer, associating it with various mythological beings including Erichthonus and Myrtilus. Auriga is most prominent during winter evenings in the northern hemisphere, as are 5 other constellations that have stars in the winter hexagon asterism. The constellation Auriga is deeply rooted in Greek mythology. It is often associated with Erichthonius, the Athenian king and inventor of the 4-horse chariot. Another tale links Auriga to the satyr-like creature Pan, who is said to have wrestled the goat Amalthea and placed her in the heavens as the star Capella. Auriga, however, is sometimes described as Myrtilus, who was Hermes' son and the charioteer of Eunomus. In the Chinese mythology, Auriga stars were incorporated into several constellations, including the celestial emperor's chariots, made up of the modern constellation's brightest stars. I have mentioned some interesting space apps in the description that will help you locate the constellation easily in the night sky. Now let's have a look into some of the notable stars that form Auriga and make it easily recognizable in the night sky. Capella or Alpha Aurigae, the brightest star in Auriga, shines brilliantly and holds a special place in many cultures. Capella is the 6th brightest star in the night sky and the 3rd brightest in the northern celestial hemisphere after Arcturus and Vega. It is relatively close at 42.9 light years or 13.2 parsec from the Sun. We also have Menkalinnan or Beta Aurigae, a binary system. Using the parallax measurements made during the Hipparcos mission, the distance to this star system can be estimated as 81.1 light years or 24.9 parsecs, give or take a half light year margin of error. Here is the fun fact: in around 1 million years, Beta Aurigae will become the brightest star in the night sky. Apart from these stars, there are other remarkable stars contributing the constellation's beauty. Beyond its stars, Auriga offers breathtaking views of deep sky objects, adding to its allure for astronomers and stargazers. Messier 36 or NGC 1960 is an open cluster of stars in the somewhat northern Auriga constellation. A 2020 study of the variable stars in the cluster estimated a new closer distance of 3,800 light years away from the Earth. Messier 37 or NGC 2099 is the brightest and richest open cluster in the constellation. Estimates of its age range from 347 million to 550 million years, situated at a distance of around 4,500 light years away from the Earth. Messier 38 or NGC 1912 is an open cluster that is also known as the Starfish Cluster. It is located at a distance of about 3,480 light years away from the Earth. NGC 1931 is a nebula in Auriga, slightly more than 1 degree to west of M36. It is considered to be the difficult target for an amateur telescope. Now let's talk about the meteor showers. Auriga is a home for two meteor showers. Aurigates or Alpha Aurigates is a meteor shower occurring primarily within September. The comet Keys or C/1911N1 is the source of the material that causes the meteors. The comet's orbital period is approximately 2000 to 2100 years, with showers observed in the years 1935, 1986, 1994 and 2007. Delta Aurigates or DAU is a minor reliable meteor shower that takes place in October 10 to 18. The peak of the shower is on October 11 with 2 meteors per hour. Auriga, the Charioteer constellation, is a tapestry of mythology, stars and celestial wonders. From its captivating legends to the twinkling stars and stunning deep sky objects, Auriga invites us to explore the mysteries of the night sky. Thank you for joining us on this celestial journey today. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more astronomical adventures and share your thoughts in the comments below. Meanwhile, watch these interesting videos in the suggestions. We'll be back with yet another super interesting video for you soon. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the universe, reach for the stars, and as always, keep looking up.